I am extremely careful about getting stuck in life. I don't know which is worse, this type of stuck or this type of stuck. Man, one is a bad situation, the other one is a bad life. Hi guys, Henry here. Today I will be talking about Systeme.io versus WordPress website side-by-side 2025 comparison. Now, it always feels like this all the time because having a website or a platform that you need is always a battle of which one is best for me, and that always makes you feel stuck when you are dealing with having a website. So today we'll be talking about if you are stuck between choosing which one is best for you. Is it Systeme.io website or a WordPress website? And one thing about this thing is that, let me give you a simple definition. The short answer to this question is that Systeme.io offers an all-in-one solution for online businesses. That is the short answer. While WordPress is a flexible, customizable CMS. A CMS is a content management system, ideally for complex business. Now you understand what it means. I wish. It is not as easy as it sounds. This is just a very, very vague explanation that you see on the internet about how to go about choosing. But today I'm going to be giving you detail on what you should actually go for, what type of website. Now, if you and I really look at it, we will notice that when it comes to Systeme.io, you will see they have a lot of templates. And by the template, we can judge which one is which and what is the platform meant for. You can see it is meant for sales, squeeze pages, landing pages, lead magnet. You can see all these are geared towards making sales, towards selling your product. Meanwhile, WordPress, on the other hand, majorly is to build a full-fledged website that can power your entire business, depending on what your business is all about. Now, I also know that this second explanation is not as clear as it should be. That is why I'm going even further to make sure that I get you covered, because I'm going to be giving you 3 important things about today's side-by-side comparison. Now, let me show you something here. Even after explaining to you what this whole thing means, let me tell you the truth, it's not easy to just select what is the best for your business, because at the end of the day, you are left alone to choose between these 2 platforms concerning what is best for you. And that is why I'm going to be walking you through this thing step at a time. In this video, I'll be showing you 3 important points that we need to go into. The first one I'm going to be looking at is the key difference, right? What is the key difference between these 2 platforms? Because surely there is something that differentiates them around their features, around how they are, and a lot of stuff. Then secondly, we are going to look at specifics, right? Which platform is better for what type of business? Not just saying that if you have a business online, you go for Systeme.io. No, there are certain kind of business that you must think about before you go for Systeme.io. And not all the business are perfect for Systeme.io. So you have different type of business. Are you running an email campaign or you are creating a blog? You must choose, you must think about this area before you go for any of them. Then finally, in this video, I'm going to be showing you what is my best recommendation of which platform you should go for. Because I have both platforms. I use WordPress and I use Systeme.io on all of my various businesses and websites. So I use them for different reasons, and I'm going to explain all that for you. All right, the first point we're going to be looking at is the overview of both platforms, both Systeme.io and WordPress. Before we compare, let us get clear understanding of what these platforms really are. Now, like I said before, this platform is an all-in-one platform, well designed for all-in-one use cases, especially for entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs like us, we like to have different things done in one place. We don't want to be going to different places. So you can have your funnels in the same place, you can have your email marketing in the same place, you have a membership website in the same place, and you can host your course. Everything done in one place. So think of it as an all-in-one or one-stop shop for online businesses, right? Just that one place that you can just go and shop everything you are looking for. That is what this platform is meant for. But this whole goodies does not come without its disadvantage. We are going to talk about that later. Moving forward, let's look at WordPress. Now, what do we have when it comes to WordPress? WordPress is very, very good. As a matter of fact, WordPress powered 40% of the entire internet. That is how good this platform is as well. Like I said, it's a highly customizable content management system. That's what we call CMS, and it's versatile in what it does. Now, when it comes to WordPress, you can use it for a complete website. You can use it for an e-commerce platform where people can go, platform like Alibaba, Amazon, all these big platforms, Jumia in Nigeria. You can use WordPress to do all that. And it requires a certain form of plugins to do that and third-party tools for additional features. Now, that is why we say it's highly customizable. WordPress is highly customizable, especially if you need a website that requires a ton of customization. This might be the best for you. But not just yet. Don't just go about choosing now. It's too early for you to choose which is best for you guys. This is just an overview. Let's take a further step into our analysis. Step number 2 is we're going to be looking at ease of use. Which of these platforms gives you flexibility, right? Which of them is better when it comes to how you use the platform? Because as an entrepreneur, the first thing we are looking for is how do we get to use it very easily to achieve a lot of results. So the first thing we are looking at is Systeme.io. One thing about Systeme.io is that it's user-friendly. With a straightforward interface, we can give it to this guy. This guy is very, very intuitive and straight to the point without too much hassle, right? And it requires no coding. It's perfect for beginners. That is one thing we must pay attention to. It is very, very perfect for beginners. Beginners can just use this platform without any problem. So another thing again that Systeme.io comes for when it comes to ease of use is that it comes with built-in tools. So everything you are looking for is inside of this platform. Everything you are looking for, from funnels to email marketing, campaigns, and automation, right? And even you can even integrate and use some AI on the platform. For example, you can build your sales funnel without needing to figure out how to host or anything around plugin. You are not thinking about, oh, I need to go and get this plugin to do this, to do that, like the way you do on WordPress. So when it comes to ease of use, we can give this guy, let's say 9/10. Yes, ease of use, 9/10. So let's go to WordPress. For WordPress, before you select, you need to be careful now. Don't think about all the Google thing I said about Systeme.io and think that WordPress is not for you. You never can tell. Now, this is what we have in WordPress. For WordPress, when it comes to ease of use, because of WordPress is so good, it requires a certain form of tech. You need to have a certain form of understanding, some technical aspect of it. It requires that because of it's so good, and you need to take your time to learn how to use the tools, the plugins, the themes, editing, and all that. It's not as user-friendly compared to Systeme.io. And again, it requires hosting. This bad boy here is not easy. Also, plugin management. You have to be selecting different type of plugin for security, plugin for this, plugin for content, plugin to integrate AI. You need all those stuff. In fact, in my own case, I used to code some of my stuff myself if I'm looking for advanced features. So you can code it. Now, customization, 100%, but ease of use, WordPress is not your best. So we can give WordPress 6/10 for ease of use. And that's one thing you can do with WordPress is, for example, despite this platform is not that easy, but again, it allows you to integrate with a lot of other existing themes that can give you certain functionality on the go, like MemberPress, like LearnDash for education platforms, and what have you. But again, it requires configurations. So that is one thing to look into for your WordPress. Ease of use, we said, is 6. In Systeme.io, we give it 10/10. So the winner for this will be Systeme.io. Systeme.io is the winner of this particular competition because of ease of use. Ease of use is great on Systeme.io. Even beginner can use it. So let's give it to Systeme.io for this particular point. All right, moving on with second part of this comparison side by side, we are going to be looking at features and customization. You already know who is going to win here. But don't claim you know too much. This is interface of WordPress and you can see nice interface and all that. But let's talk about customization. What do we have here when it comes to customization? For Systeme.io, comes to customization in Systeme.io, there is really not much you can do. That's the truth. Because the platform is already available for you and everything is built in already. You already have this here, funnel building. It's a funnel builder. It's an email marketing platform. It's also a membership site and it allows you to host your course. So the truth is, there is no much customization required in Systeme.io. And as a result of that, you are limited in designs. You only do the kind of design that is available with the template. And even if you customize it, you can customize it to certain limitations. There are certain customization you can do with other platforms that are very, very good. You can't try that with Systeme.io because everything is pre-made for you and there is a little room for customization. So, customization, we can give Systeme.io 6/10. Now, let's go further. In WordPress, what do we have here? WordPress, like I said, this is the baba. This one is the baba of them all. When it comes to customization, this is the baba. With millions of themes, not just thousands, millions of plugins, WordPress can handle virtually any kind of website you want to create. any type of website. Is it a complex e-commerce website? Any type of website, you can have it on the platform. So you can have any type of website you want with WordPress. However, remember that it requires ongoing update and potential compatibility fixes. But again, that is the reason why we are customizing. You can do a lot with WordPress, especially if you are having a big website. So who is the winner here? Winner for features and customization. WordPress has limitless possibilities with WordPress. There is no limit to what you can do with WordPress because of the customization. So this bad guy here is the winner. And here we give this guy 10 over 10 when it comes to customization with WordPress. Moving on, let's look at the next feature. Now the next feature number 3, will be pricing. You can talk about website or hosting of a website or having your online presence to sell your products and services, be it an ebook, be it a course. You can't talk about this stuff without talking about pricing because the amount quickly adds up. So first thing here is that Systeme.io, we have a free plan from get-go, 100% free plan for hosting everything you want to do. Then their payment starts from $27 per month. This is what you're going to be paying every month for their payment, for them to be hosting it for you. They give you all the tools, right? You have all the integration included and you pay this amount of money. Even from the free plan, you already have it. If you don't have Systeme.io yet, go and click the link below and sign up for Systeme.io with my account. And I'm going to give you some freebies that you have instantly after you sign up with my account on how you can start your online business. Or if you're already running a business, you will be able to start to scale. I have certain models that I use to scale online business and I will put you through that particular model. Now, WordPress. When it comes to WordPress is free to use, 100% free. But we have a caveat here. It's an amount that you must pay. First, there is no free to use hosting. You must host. That's number one. You must host. You must put your website that you have designed somewhere. And you can't host it on your laptop. You don't have that amount of money. Then, if you want to go for better designs on your website, you can go for premium themes, which will also cost you from $500 to even up to $1,000 for premium themes. You can pay one time. Then some plugins also can cost up to $300 per year. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Good. Because this whole thing here, you will spend a lot of money at the end of the day compared to what you will spend with Systeme.io for free, starting at $27. So you have to choose which one is better for you. Now let's talk about it. The winner for this context of number 4, pricing, is Systeme.io. Everything is free for you. In that free account, there's a lot you can do. Without anything, here you have 10 over 10 because you can start right now. As I'm speaking to you now, you can even pause this video and go and start. But you can't pause this video and go and start WordPress without hosting it. You need to make payment. Here, we can give this guy here 5 over 10. Why am I giving this guy 5? Because there are some WordPress, like WordPress.com. You can have a free blog over there and you can do some free stuff there. But the WordPress.org is where you have the template that you have to pay and host. So let's give this guy 5. All right, let's go to the next one. So now the next comparison here is going to be comparison around scalability. If you have a website, you need to make sure that scalability is something you check from beginning. Any online business at all, you must think about scalability before you even start. So ideal for small businesses, Systeme.io is very good. You are a course creator, you are an entrepreneur looking for a simple solution to start your business today. Then you go with this. This is for you. You want to start business today? You can go with this. Limited scalability for advanced or highly custom businesses. If you are a company and you require a lot of automation, you require so much on your website, you cannot go with Systeme.io. So when it comes to scalability, we can let's give Systeme.io 7. Let's give Systeme.io 7 over 10. For scalability, because you can actually scale it to a certain extent, but at that point it will now require a certain form of technicalities as well. So, but we can go with 7. WordPress is the baba of scalability. Virtually there is no limit here, no limit to what you can do with WordPress.org. The sky is not even the limit. So this place is very good. Now, and this stuff, you can use it for small blog, for large corporate website, even CNN. Big companies are using WordPress. It is not something to even think about at all. Scalability, WordPress is the winner of this particular context. And WordPress is winning by 10 over 10. Are we good? So finally, we have support. This is the last part of the comparison. You want a platform that that give you certain support when you have issues with a wonderful community. For Systeme.io, what do we have here? Do we have a community dedicated support team available via email and chat and even the Facebook group? This one is very, very good. Yes, even though the community is not as big as WordPress community, because WordPress has a very big community. 40% of the internet are run using WordPress, so the community is huge over there than Systeme.io. But when it comes to dedication for the support we're talking about, Systeme.io is very, very good. And even the community is also supportive. Then you have WordPress. WordPress has a global community, tutorials everywhere, third-party developers. People are putting content every day on WordPress. Virtually anything you are looking for concerning WordPress, you will be able to have support for it. Everything. And another thing again, they have support depending on what you are doing. If you are hosting your WordPress website on a particular host, the host will support you. If you are having a domain name in a particular domain provider, the domain provider will support you. If you buy a plugin from somebody, of course, you spend your money, they also support you. So WordPress is very good with that. No any issue around WordPress community support at all. So winner for this, of course, we will give WordPress winner for community and support, but with a very small margin. Why we will have WordPress to be, let's say, 9.5 over 10. Very correct. So now the big question is, which one should you go for if you are choosing between WordPress or Systeme.io? This is my own opinion. Beginners who need simple all-in-one platform, WordPress is best for you. Course creators, coaches, experts, business owner, freelancer, focusing on selling digital products, go with this. It's perfect for you. And majority of people who are watching me on this channel, you are beginners, and some of you are both beginners, you are intermediate, you are expert. I don't think I have companies, big corporations like people from CNN watching my videos, but that will be fine as well. But for you guys, I'm telling you, this is good for you, and go and sign up immediately. Don't even think about it. Then WordPress is best for bloggers. When we talk about bloggers, people who are thinking about monetizing their focus on blogging, article writers, news agencies, go for this. You want to do a very big blog website, go for this. You want to focus on organic most of the time. Even though Systeme.io now organic is also very good. I've been using it to rank. Websites, go for this. Advanced website creators, you know how to do the business of creating websites for other businesses. Use this platform for your own business as well. If you know you need anything customization, you want to create an e-commerce website with diverse automation customization, go for this. Larger business with teams to manage the platform, voila, go for it. If you are not a large business, you don't need it. So with this little point of mine, I hope you have been able to know that if you are a small business owner, my brother, go for Systeme.io. If you are already established and you have money to start very well, go for WordPress. And if you have specific business you want me to talk about, or you have a business that you are wondering which one you should go and I've not been able to cover it based on your own understanding, at the end of this video right now, you can send me a message and I will reply you ASAP, or I might even do a video concerning what you just asked me to do. So guys, go and start your business. If you're thinking about starting your business right now as a small business owner, click this video here right now. Go and watch how to build your website or blog in 5 minutes using Systeme.io, or click here to go and watch how to start to run your business online, even with automation and AI, using Systeme.io platform. Go right now and see you in the next one.